오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious. hot. Hello everybody, welcome to Babsi Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook this souffle pancake. You know this souffle pancake is a French kitchen. I tried really very surprised. You know this pancake is very soft. We use a little bit cake flour and little baking soda, and then we put a little bit this strawberry. Yes, I will do. Now I will introduce the ingredients. We need 6 eggs and cake flour, oil, and little salt, just a little, do you know? And this sugar and little water and baking powder, just a little. And then now I will start to cook. Yes, first we organize the egg. Nice. First we put small spoon, 5 sugar, and just a little salt. You know, only sugar is no good. Just a little. And then we put here three spoons. Baking powder, just a little. And then we mix. Yes, it's okay, like this. It's okay. We put a little bit of sugar, small 3 spoons. And start. Yes, you know that like this, like a cream. And then we put here, and then maybe this is bigger, you know, I have put here. Mix. Only one way doing, one way, because I'm a little bit scared the foam is go down. We put a little bit oil. If you have a frame, you know, you can do one time, another place, but I didn't prepare. And then little put the water, like that, little. Yes, maybe below. Hey. Wow, not so easy, huh? It's ready, we put out. Ready!